Hello all, welcome to our channel All Set DCP. So today the video that we are going to see is all about what are the things that we have to check before we take our car for a long drive. So ensure this will always keep you safe during the long rides. And there is no necessity that you should be a mechanic or you should have more knowledge of the car in order to check these things. This can be done by any common man. Okay, the first thing that we have to check is the radiator. Okay, so the radiator water level or the coolant level should be in max. If it's less, you have to top up immediately. Next thing that we have to check is brake oil level, brake fluid level. Even that should be in max level. And apart from that, the third thing that we have to check is the windshield washer. So when we use wiper, right, so the water from this only flows into that wiper part. So for this you have to fill it with water, and in Maruti we have something called ET Star windshield wiper washer, which you can buy for 17 rupees. Even that can be used. And the next thing that we have to check is the engine oil. So there is no necessity that you should know more about engine oil. Just ensure that the oil level is in the max. If it's there, we are good to go. So these four checks, as I mentioned, first radiator, followed by brake oil, followed by engine oil, followed by windshield wiper. Ensure to check all these four. If these four are fine, then you can close the bonnet immediately. And in the meantime, the place over here, right, this should be very clear because this is the one which acts as an important space to give more airflow. Okay, so it should not be blocked. In case if it's blocked, the water may enter into the cabin. Followed by that, get into your car, turn it on, put the double side indicator and ensure everything is working fine. Followed by that, also switch on your headlamp, all the headlamp and fog lamps. Okay, and check everything is blinking over there. So turning light is working, headlamp is working, because many the times people never watch this. Only when they enter into the night they will come to know that their light is not working. It's always better to ensure before starting, since it's going to be a long drive. Also, I've seen many cars in the highway that the rear light, right, the danger light, one side it will not glow. So those things should not happen. So ensure it works fine in your car before you start for a long drive. For us, it's all working. Next, check whether the windshield washer liquid is coming when you press that button. It works. Followed by the check for the horn, and even that is fine. Check for the AC throw, that is fine. And also there is no warning light in the dashboard, so we are all good to start. And one more highest priority thing is always ensure that you maintain the right tire pressure before you travel. It's always preferable to check the air pressure before the night of the travel. Also, there is no grooves or grease in the brake pad, which means it's really good. Assuming that you are doing your periodical service regularly, it's fine to go. And I would like to mention again and again, always ensure to keep the adequate tire pressure before going on a long drive. It's very important. Don't keep it in the last minute. It's always a good practice to fill petrol or diesel along with the air in the prior night of your travel. So with this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.